welcome back to my channel. I'm back this week with another video for you guys, but today we're going to be doing a review on the brand new Kat Von D Liner X, and I'm just going to be trying it on my eye. I'm going to be doing a wear test, and I'm also going to be doing a demo for you guys. So if you're interested in watching that, keep on watching. But if you're not a part of the Volume family yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. And yeah, let's get into this Liner X review. Alright guys, so the Kat Von D Liner X is $20, and I have it in shade Trooper Black, and it is 0.5 ounces or 1.6 milliliters. And now I'm just going to read the claims on the website. So on the Sephora website, it says that it is a rare opportunity to preview the first batch of Kat Von D Beauty's newest liquid eyeliner innovation. The product is vegan and cruelty-free, which is also really nice. And it says that Kat Von D Beauty has created an amazing new ultra black vegan liquid eyeliner with a flexible felt tip that delivers extreme intensity and waterproof, smudge resistant, long wear in one bold stroke, even over your most highly pigmented eyeshadow. They produce very limited quantities to get it into your hands as quickly as possible before coming up with a final name or packaging, and codenamed it Liner X. Now Kat Von D Beauty invites you, the ultimate eyeliner experts, into the development process. Be one of the lucky few to get your hands on Liner X and put it to the test. Then be sure to share your honest thoughts, insights, and feedback in the ratings and review section. So that's pretty much what they have. Pretty much this eyeliner is a pre-batch. That is why the packaging is so strange, and that is why it comes in a bag. But it does say that it is supposed to be ultra black. It is supposed to wear a long time, which is what I'm going to be doing with the wear test. And it also says that it is supposed to be smudge resistant and that it is supposed to go over eyeshadows really nicely. So I'm going to be testing all of those claims with the wear test. Although I did do a lighter eyeshadow look, I didn't do an extremely dark eyeshadow look because I wanted you guys to see how the eyeliner applied, but I still put the eyeliner over some eyeshadow to show you guys how it goes over eyeshadow and how easily it does that. Alright, so now that we got through all the details, I'm going to show you guys a swatch of the eyeliner. So this is how it swatches from the side, and that's how the tip swatches. So as you can tell, you can go for a thick line or you can go for a very thin one depending on the angle you do, which is really nice. So that means that this is very versatile. And this is what the eyeliner looks like up close. As you can tell, it is like the prototype. It says Liner X and Kat Von D on it. And after taking off the cap, this is what the tip looks like. As you can tell, it is very pointed, which makes it really easy to do winged eyeliner, or at least that's what I'm hoping for. Alright guys, so now that we got through the details, the price, the swatches, and all that stuff, let's get to applying this eyeliner so that you guys can actually see how it applies on the eyes. Alright guys, so we are up close and personal to apply the liner, and I'm gonna first take it out of the little bag. You just rip the top, just open it, and this is what the eyeliner looks like. Point is like super thin. Alright, so let's get to applying this. I'm just gonna be doing winged eyeliner on both eyes. Right off the bat, that is really pigmented. I have eyeshadow on my eyes. Usually when I have some sort of eyeshadow, the eyeliner takes a little bit longer to kind of get to full pigment. This one at first swipe is actually really nice. I love how thin that tip is. As you saw, that got right into my inner corner so easily. Ooh, that's fast. You know, when I'm doing eyeliner, I do like the eyeliner to draw very thin lines, because the thinner it is, the easier it is to kind of control where the line is going. So I am actually really liking this, and I like how it dries down really fast, and it is also really matte. It doesn't have any shine or shimmer to it. Alright, so we pretty much got done with the easy part in literally less than a minute, which is amazing. You guys know how much of a struggle eyeliner is, especially with my eye shape. It is really hard to get my eyeliner on. So let's do the fun part. Let's do the wing. That was easy. I feel like this tip is so thin that it's making the wing look sharp without having to go after and carve it with concealer. I'm loving how matte it looks. I don't like a shiny eyeliner, and this one is super matte. As you can tell, look at how sharp and precise and thin this liner is. I do have to say right off the bat with application, how easy it went on, how pigmented it is, how matte it is, how the shape of this is, how amazing this eyeliner literally looks and sharp. I like this better than the tattoo liner in Trooper. I feel like the Liner X is definitely a step up from that one. Although that one is amazing, I feel like the tip on this one is a little bit more sturdy, which makes it easier to draw eyeliner. It was the easiest thing ever to get right into the inner corner, and this one's a little bit thicker than the tattoo liner, so it doesn't run everywhere, because I feel like the tattoo liner is very liquidy. So if you mess up just one tiny bit, or if you press a little bit too hard, you have to redo your whole eye makeup and take everything off and restart. With this one, I do feel like you have a little bit more control on where the eyeliner goes and where you want to place it. And if you're a beginner at makeup, I would definitely recommend trying the Liner X as opposed to the tattoo liner by Kat Von D. So I'm gonna do this eye. Alright guys, so these are the wings done. I do have to say, it was the easiest thing to get them to look as similar as possible. It was super sharp to draw the wing real easily and fast, and it was also really pointy and tiny to where it got to the inner corner like it was no one's business. So far, I am loving this eyeliner. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tight line with my Tarte Double Take eyeliner. And I'm gonna do some Superhero Mascara by It Cosmetics, which has been my favorite mascara for literally the past like 3 to 4 months. I am obsessed with the mascara. So I'm gonna do some mascara, and then I'm gonna show you the time and just give you my first impressions on the Kat Von D liner. Alright guys, so these are my eyes with the eyeliner finished. Alright guys, so right now it is 2:31 in the afternoon, and I'm gonna be starting my wear test. I did apply this eyeliner like 10 minutes ago, so basically it was like at 2:20 in the afternoon. But first impressions on the eyeliner, I am obsessed with it. I love everything from the packaging to the tip. I love how the product is dispersed everywhere on the tip. I love how thin and tiny it is and how easy it is to apply. It was the fastest eyeliner that I have tried. I like it way better than the tattoo eyeliner because I feel like you have so much more control, and it is way less messy than that one. And I feel like if you're a beginner at makeup, you should definitely try this one out. And this one is in Trooper Black, so it is still the same shade as the tattoo one. And I also really like that it is really matte. Like, it does not look shiny at all whatsoever, which gives you the perfect cat eye look. So I love this eyeliner. So I'm gonna be doing the wear test. As I said before, it's around 2:30 in the afternoon. So I'm not gonna go ahead and say it is completely approved yet because I don't know how it lasts throughout the day yet. But that's what we're gonna see now. So I guess I'll see you in a few hours. Hello guys, so right now it is 12:26 in the morning, as you can tell. So it's been 10 hours since I put this eyeliner. And honestly, right now my eyeliner looks the same way it did when I applied it. So it hasn't really moved, it hasn't changed. It didn't bleed, it didn't run or anything. So I'm just gonna show you guys an up close of the eyeliner so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But pretty much it didn't really move and it didn't really do anything. So it definitely passed the wear test. It still looks really sharp. It is still super black and it still looks like I literally applied it 10 minutes ago, not 10 hours ago. I definitely approve of this liner. I do have to say I like the packaging, but it could be a little bit sturdier. However, that's gonna change when they update the packaging since this is like the prototype. But besides the packaging not being like the best packaging ever, the eyeliner itself is actually pretty amazing and it's really easy to apply. It is really pigmented. It is also not that hard to take off when you use an oil-based makeup remover. So it's not like the tattoo liner where you have to literally scrub off your eye to take it off. That might be a downer for some people, but that is a plus for me and how I like to do my eyeliner. And it is also really nice to do art because the point is so thin on this eyeliner. It is insane. All in all, I feel like this is one of the best eyeliners I have tried in a while. It is really hard to impress me with eyeliners. So I would definitely say the Tarte Double Take eyeliner is definitely still one of my favorites. However, I am liking this liner by Kat Von D better because the point is a lot thinner than the one on the Double Take eyeliner. As you can tell, the one on my right, this one here is the Liner X. This one here is the Double Take eyeliner. The point on the Liner X by Kat Von D is way thinner than the point on the Double Take eyeliner by Tarte. There was literally nothing that I didn't like about the eyeliner, which is really impressive. So yeah, I guess that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel before you leave. Let me know if you have tried this eyeliner. Let me know what you think of it in the comments down below. Or if you have any other eyeliners that I have not tried in my channel yet that you think I will like better than even the Liner X that I just tried, also let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye guys.